Ka National Human Rights Commission ka kloi banyarap ya kino ki jing bagi pajba ke kandu hanrai don kam ban ai da ka jing tho ya ka ne lapan pau da ki khot jo ka National Human Rights Commission habai jing kran ha ka jing kandu ka bakar pang bat kelar pthai khubor ha ka si balang ha State Convention Center Shillong nakliang kino elam ki kantu ki kan hun sang bhalang kino tremon sngubha ki kan hun rishimet bar ki pajba bakin wan shakmat ban ujo ya kino ki jing lengba da ka jing tho.
Access to Health or Ayushman Bharat is a flagship program. And I will just supplement what the chair has said. Please give us in writing, please email to us the specific issue regarding the public health. And if I have to share something, I might not be an expert on the health facilities in all these 3 states. But to be precise, Meghalaya has got 12 big hospitals, 30 community health centers, 110 primary health centers, and government-run civil hospitals in all 11 districts. Infrastructure-wise, resources-wise, doctor-wise, nurse-wise, there are limitations. There are capacity issues. Maybe the hospital is there, the facilities is there, but to run those facilities, we don't have skilled manpower. It is true for all the states, for all the districts, but you must be aware, the Honorable Prime Minister has rolled out that Ayushman Bharat, and those poor people who don't have adequate access to the private hospitals, they can avail that insurance under the PM Ayushman Bharat. Then we have PM Jan Aushadhi program. I would urge you people, there are paucity of ambulances in the entire state of Meghalaya. We have roughly 70 plus ambulances. We might have the ambulances, and some NGO representative today in the morning flagged the issue that the ambulance drivers or the helpers are not getting the minimum wages. So we have requested them to give us in writing. We would take up with the Chief Secretary of the State Administration. So despite the limitations, but right to health is an integral part of right to life. And I have seen sometimes in August 2020, death of 877 newly born and 61 pregnant women between April 2020 to July 2020 due to diseases other than the coronavirus. So on behalf of the Commission, we can assure the citizens of these 3 states, if you give us in writing, definitely the Commission, whatever will be deemed appropriate, we will definitely intervene. We are not going to disappoint you, but please give us in writing. And so far as right to health is concerned, I will just conclude by saying right to health is integral to right to life. Newborn infants and the pregnant women need to be protected at all costs.
And it has been said that there is hardly doctors available in the primary health center. We have taken note of it. We have requested the NGOs to finally concretize the issue and send it in writing to the National Human Rights Commission so that we may take it up with the authorities concerned. Because health and with regard to the problem of anemia or cancer, all those things we can pick up after we have received something in writing. The right to food. Yesterday also, this issue was discussed during the hearing because an NGO has filed a complaint that Aadhaar seeding with the ration card sometimes is not productive. Internet connection is not available, or for whatever reasons, then the PDS, public distribution system, the manual system is in place, because the state authorities have taken the stand that no one in the state was without food. Food was given to everybody. But the NGO has controverted this stand. We have asked the state government again to come back with the reply about the status, whether if there is a failure of connectivity, the connectivity issue, whether PDS system continues to work, or people with the ration card have to go without food. There was no information given about this public hearing. We have issued public notice in the press on 27th of November. 27th of November. We have requested all to come forward, and our take is that in this convention hall, nobody was stopped from coming. It is incorrect that any restrictions were imposed on any public person to come and meet us. And at the time of public hearing, number of complainants were present or their representatives were present. The state government was represented by their respective council or the secretaries. Advocate General Tripura was present also. It's not that there is some manipulation on the part of anybody. There should not be any doubt in the mind of anyone that if there was any restriction imposed on anyone to come and hear, to participate in the public hearing.